Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha MT-10. This 1000cc inline 4-cylinder street fighter just arrived with only 5,185 miles on it. This bike is badass. Come on by. Make your MT-10 dreams come true. Wait till you hear this exhaust. Yoshimura Alpha exhaust, brand new rear tire, integrated tail light with turn signals. This thing is nothing but bad. Come on by. Only $12,999. This thing will not be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.